And tonight, allegations of discrimination against a pregnant Muslim woman who's in the custody of the Michigan Department of Corrections.
7 Action News reporter Anu Prakash tells us what's behind the complaints and how the MDOC is responding.
CAIR says they filed 2 civil rights complaints, and what they want is corrective action.
We believe there's something systemically wrong at the Michigan Department of Corrections and how they deal with Muslims in their custody.
Allegations of discrimination coming from the Michigan chapter of CAIR, or the Council on American-Islamic Relations. CAIR says Sawatu Salama Ra, who's been housed at the Women's Huron Valley Correctional Facility on a weapons conviction since early March, hasn't been given access to a hijab and was denied religious meal accommodations. She's also 8 months pregnant.
It is a requirement that all Muslim women cover their hair when they pray. So this is a significant infringement on her ability to practice her religion. She's had to abstain from taking many meals, resulting in actual weight loss during her last trimester of pregnancy. We've made several requests on her behalf.
CAIR also filed a second complaint with the Michigan Department of Civil Rights on behalf of Marna Muhammad. They say she's a religious leader at Masjid Walid Muhammad in Detroit, but was repeatedly denied clergy status when she tried to visit Sawatu Salama Ra at the same MDOC facility.
When I presented the document, they said that there was no way of knowing if that was a valid religious institution.
This is one of the most historic mosques in America. This is the first mosque that Malcolm X spoke at when he got out of prison and came to the city of Detroit.
CAIR says just last year it settled a suit with MDOC over Ramadan meals. As for these latest complaints, Michigan's Department of Civil Rights will be investigating.
We're hoping that by filing this complaint, it puts the Michigan Department of Corrections on notice.
Anu Prakash, 7 Action News.
A spokesman for the MDOC says the allegations are untrue. He says the woman didn't arrive with a hijab and never asked for one. They also say she signed in writing that she didn't want religious meals and say pork isn't served at MDOC. As for Marna Muhammad, they say she didn't provide the proper documentation that could verify her affiliation with that mosque.